What is macrocosm and microcosm? Entire universe exists with three forces of nature: sattva, rajas and tamas. Forces which are stagnant, forces which are active, and forces which balance everything. These three forces work together and produce everything. God or consciousness projected energy from himself is called goddess. Union of God and goddess produce whole universe by using these three forces. So from a metaphysical standpoint, in a Vedanta, in yoga philosophy, Brahma is the creator. He created the universe. Vishnu is the sustainer who sustained the universe. And Mahesh or Lord Shiva is the destroyer. He destroys the universe. G is a generator. O is operator. D is destroyer. In reality, destroyer doesn't mean destroying, but transforming, because everything gets transformed. A seed is destroyed, so the plant is formed. So that is not a destruction of the seed, but transformation. Brahma, who is the creator, for creation, he needs intelligence. So the goddess associated with him is goddess Saraswati, or goddess of wisdom and learning. Vishnu, who sustains. For sustaining one needs wealth, prosperity. So the goddess is Lakshmi. And in India, Lakshmi means wealth, is worshipped as goddess. Vishnu is the one who sustains the world, and he incarnates into human form from time to time in each yuga to save the humanity, to save the pious one, and to destroy evil. Shiva is the destroyer. For destruction, he needs fierce energy. So Kali or Durga are the forms, goddess with blood, weapon in the arm, riding the tiger, fierce look. This is the energy. So Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh all together is nothing but creation, sustenance and dissolution. This is called macrocosm, where entire universe is created from Big Bang, is sustained through many yugas and mahayugas, and until destruction takes place when entire universe is sucked into black hole. This is called macrocosm. At microcosm level, it is at the atomic level: proton, electron and neutron. These are the three forces that is active in an atom. So everything in a smaller scale, microscopic scale, is atom. Everything is vibration. So at microcosmic state, proton, electron, neutron. On the other hand, our body is also part of macrocosm and microcosm, because within the body everything exists that exists in the entire universe. Our planet contains mostly water, our body contains mostly fluid. So whatever is in Brahmand is also in Pinda or within the body. By exploring the body and knowing the mystery of the body, one can know about the whole universe. If we master the body, it's like knowing about a grain of salt. By knowing a grain of salt, you know about all the salt crystals in the world. Macrocosm and microcosm can be used as a means of meditation, because everything between microcosm and macrocosm is the Jagat or universe, which is constantly changing. Nothing is permanent. Only real thing is Shunya, nothingness, zero, and that is the approach of Buddhism, that dissolve yourself to nothingness. Approach of Vedanta is expand until there is nothing but you. That is called Brahman. For meditation, one can observe the breath and go deep within, from gross body to astral to causal body, and still beyond to Atman residing within the heart, until mind totally dissolves. When one breathes out, one can expand in the space, reach our solar system, our galaxy, beyond galaxy, into infinite, until mind dissolves. So God or Brahman is microcosm and macrocosm. Microcosm and macrocosm is same. Zero and infinity are same, because there is no mind. Without mind, there is no time, there is no space, there is no comparison, and the world exists because of our mind. When mind dissolves, world doesn't exist, and this is the state of liberation. So we go into zero or into infinity, and we can see everything in between is Maya, cosmic illusion. Nothing is real. Though we see name and form, they are only for limited time and space. As time goes by, everything dissolves. Mountains, rivers, our body, all the living creatures. This is on larger scale. If you look at a smaller scale also, there is no existence. Everything is nothing but vibrating energy. They found that even atom that looks like there is proton, neutron, electron, ultimately there is nothing but vibrating energy. They went into the nucleus and they found nothing. So everything else is like empty space. This is what quantum physics taught. And in 2012, they bombarded atom and they found nothing. They call ghost particle. So all this explains reality is supreme reality. Everything other than is cosmic illusion or Maya. Jai Bhagwan.